Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the fully working 8-ball pool mod menu onto your device. No jailbreak or computer needed. So you should see my phone on the screen right there. So we're going to go to this website right here. It's called Zoo Mods, and it has a ton of mods or apps and games. So once you get onto this site, guys, we're going to go to the search bar, and we're literally just going to type in 8-ball pool, and it should come right up. So as you can see, guys, it says 8-ball pool mod. So just go ahead and press on that, and we're just going to wait for it to download. Now, if you have a decent internet connection, this shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself because it fully works. So as you can see, guys, it just started to download, which is super cool. And I'm going to show you guys on the App Store how the 8-ball pool is just so expensive. And this is why I do not think that anyone should be actually like paying for stuff on 8-ball pool, because you can get everything for free. So if we go to in-app purchases, as you can see, guys, it's way too expensive, but I got everything for free with my modded version of the 8-ball pool, as you can see right there. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It's super insane, and all you got to do is go to Zoo Mods. That's the website, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. Once you get onto that site, guys, all you got to do is go to search bar, type 8-ball pool, and wait for it to start downloading. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. It's super insane, guys, and it fully works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. It's super insane, guys, and it is not going to require a jailbreak or anything like that, which is really like the best part. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It's super insane, and it fully works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to my channel. This is super awesome, guys, and it fully works. So please subscribe right now, because I'm going to make some more videos for you guys in the future if this video does well. So yeah, it's super insane, guys. Fully works. So subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you guys later. This is super awesome, and it's totally updated as well. So yeah, this is super crazy. So I'll see you guys in another video, and peace out.